How to earn points on Shein. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by heading over to your application Shein. Enter your login credential and make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Once you've been logged in, move into Me at the bottom right corner. You can see the option of points at the top. Head over to it. Wait for a while for it to load. Now tap on Check-in. Well, first of all, you can also earn the points by simply checking in daily. You can see you have just earned the points right now. If you want to earn more, go back and tap on Task over here. You have to complete daily tasks that is given to you from Shein. So first of all, verify your email, complete preferences, and also review the order. After that, you'll receive certain amounts of points. You can also tap on Comments and then enter the comments of the order that you have made. That way, you will be able to earn the points. Well, you can also buy the items from here. If you buy it, you'll receive certain amount of points and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.